Today we are featuring a timepiece from a brand that we've actually had for many years, but I've never actually put it on the channel. And that brand is Alexander Shorokhoff. Alexander Shorokhoff is a luxury watch brand that blends Russian and German watchmaking traditions, offering bold designs and exceptional craftsmanship. Founded by, of course, Alexander Shorokhoff, a Moscow-born architect and civil engineer, the brand is known for its unique designs that mix 19th century classics with modern technology. Each watch is meticulously handcrafted by master watchmakers, with some models featuring hand-engraved movements, and of course all the things that you'd expect like sapphire glass. Today's timepiece is the CADAMOMO. The name CADAMOMO actually has a meaning, which if you look at the paired letters, C-A-D-A-M-O, M-O, C-A stands for calendar, D-A for day, M-O for month, and the second M-O for moon. And you put them together and you get CADAMOMO. So yes, this piece does have a full calendar and moon phase. Every aspect of this timepiece has a very artsy, colorful, avant-garde design, which really makes this one unique. And it's also limited to only 50 pieces. But will this colorful breath of fresh air for most watch collectors be one that you will be interested in adding to your collection? Let's find out. Welcome everyone, it's Chris with the Little Treasury channel, where we bring you original and in-depth watch content at least once per week. And if you haven't already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be alerted as soon as we upload. I'm from Little Treasury Jewelers, which is located in Gambrills, Maryland, and it's where you go when you're in the know. And if you can't make it to our store, check out our cutting-edge, user-friendly website, littletreasury.com, which is linked to our inventory in real time. All watches that I review are for sale and can be purchased, so please see our website or see the description below to contact us. If you're just joining us now, I'll go over the watch's detailed measurements and features, then I'll offer my personal opinion at the end. In our last video, I reviewed the Omega Seamaster Aquaterra World Timer in titanium, which I felt was the best world timer that Omega makes currently, since it's extremely lightweight and very under the radar with its color scheme. I recommend checking this out if you would like to see one of the most functional and exciting pieces that Omega has to offer. Wrist check time. Today I'm wearing my Seiko SRPH 42K Yak Wat Chang Thailand limited edition that I picked up when I was on my vacation to Thailand. This is my most wild piece that I own currently, so I figured it would go pretty well with today's theme. Now tell me which watch you're wearing while you're watching the video, and make sure to tell me why. Now let's get on to the features. The Alexander Shorokhoff CADAMOMO has a 43.3mm case width, a 12mm thickness, a 50.1mm lug-to-lug, a 21.5mm lug width, a 38.3mm crystal diameter, and it weighs in at 89.31 grams. The case is made out of stainless steel and is high polished on the top of the lugs and on the bezel. The sides of the case are brushed with two correctors on each side, which are used to set the calendar functions. A non-screw-down crown can be found at the 3 position with the Alexander Shorokhoff logo in the center. The dial is in black with a big 60 at the 12 position, and this is a signature of Alexander Shorokhoff, which you will see on most of his timepieces. The date can be found along the edge of the dial, and yellow will be for the top half and blue for the bottom, and you'll have a green at the 1 at the very top. The hour markers are dual lines in white with the triangle at the 12 position. The subdial at the top left portion is the day indicator, which is a very avant-garde font for the days of the week, and a multicolored disc in the center with a circle that tells you which day it is. The subdial at the right top portion showcases the current month and has more avant-garde font styling. It has a multicolored disc in the center with a triangle to tell you the current month. The hands are spade and whip style in white with a simple line second hand. And we have a yellow date indicator hand with a blue triangle at the tip. The bottom subdial is the most exciting and features the moon phase with an orange moon with a blue night sky and stars, with moon written in the avant-garde styling in silver. Alexander Shorokhoff can be found beneath it, wrapped around the subdial on a gold-toned background. Lume is applied to the entire hour and minute hands and on the hour markers and the 60. The case back is open and showcases the highly engraved rotor and rose tone, with a variety of features that this timepiece has listed and limited edition number as well. The movement is the DD 9000 caliber made by Dubois de Praz, which is a movement manufacturer that specializes in complications such as this full calendar. And it's been further modified by Alexander Shorokhoff's master watchmakers with a hand-engraved oscillating weight. It has a 42-hour power reserve, and it has 25 joules. The strap is made from calf leather and has an Alexander Shorokhoff logo attached to it at the bottom, with an engraved buckle. The Alexander Shorokhoff CADAMOMO is water resistant to 50 meters, it's limited to 50 pieces total, and it's priced at $4,100. Now for my personal opinion. This is definitely a fun and captivating timepiece, and Alexander Shorokhoff truly excels at creating dials that are both fascinating and exciting to look at. Each of his pieces are really a work of art on the wrist, just as he claims. This particular model is especially engaging with its vibrant colors that blend together in a playful and harmonious way, something we just don't see often in the watchmaking world. The moon phase indicator is undoubtedly the most fun part of this piece for me. It boldly displays the word moon, and for some reason the moon itself is depicted in orange. This quirky detail really catches the eye, yet it seamlessly complements the rest of the watch, which features the bold, colorful day and month subdials. I also want to highlight how great it is to have a full calendar complication. In today's watchmaking trends, we're seeing the day and even the date become less common or relegated to the corners of the dial. It's refreshing to see all of these elements displayed in a single central location right here. This watch truly breaks away from the norms we've come to expect in this hobby, offering something exciting and different, not just a clean, neutral dial or a subtly colored one with some texture. For anyone seeking something vibrant, cheerful, and unique to add to their collection, I wholeheartedly recommend this piece. It's a fantastic choice for anyone ready to explore the world of Alexander Shorokhoff timepieces. Thanks for watching today, everyone. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. And of course, if you did, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share with all of your friends and your family members too. I look forward to seeing you next video.